Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Jetta. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering. The Jetta is a premium car that is family friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. Come take a test drive today.